Thank you. And traditionally, we announce, before the official candidates, we announce our wildcard. So wildcard applicants will still have a chance to make it as official candidate as long as na ma-improve nila ang mga dapat nila i-improve to become official candidate of Mr. Pilipinas. So we will be calling 6 wildcards for today.
Ayan na!
First,
Ashley!
from Marikina, Benjamin Aragon. From Samar, we have Edviro Puentes. Paranaque, Mark Joseph Cruz. Masantol, Pampanga, Mark Joseph Gadaza. Mexico, Pampanga, Robert Paul Daguo. And Quezon City, James Armani. Ladies and gentlemen, our Misters of Pilipinas wildcard entries. Thank you to our wildcard applicants, entries. You may go back to your respective places.